Australia has long been at the forefront of the travel trailer and RV industry, and Cub Campers C16 is a testament to this leadership. This luxury hybrid caravan has garnered significant attention, most notably winning the 2023 Good Design Award for product design. With its blend of rugged durability and opulent comfort, the C16 is not just a trailer, it's a mobile sanctuary. The C16 comes with a hefty price tag of 130,000 Australian dollars, approximately 87,400 US dollars. But there are solid reasons behind this cost. Its foundation is a Cruisemaster ATX 2.8 coil spring suspension, engineered for a lifetime of adventure. A BlueScope steel chassis ensures strength and performance, crucial for a unit weighing 2,100 kilograms, 4,630 pounds dry. This robust build promises reliability across the diverse terrains of Australia. Stepping inside the C16 is like entering a high-end Class C or even Class A RV. The living spaces are well-defined and infused with European-inspired design elements. The use of semi-precious metal accents, wood, composite materials, and mirrors enhances the interior's spacious feel. The C16 offers 3 layout options, each capable of accommodating up to 4 guests. The layouts dictate the placement of the bathroom, galley, dinette, and bedding areas. My preferred layout features a galley and bathroom at one end and a full-width bed at the other, creating a harmonious balance of utility and comfort. Imagine waking up in this serene environment, sharing a quiet moment with your partner before preparing breakfast. The natural light floods the space as you start your day, highlighting the thoughtful design and luxurious finishes. After breakfast, the real adventure begins outside. The C16 is equipped with a large exterior galley featuring a cooktop, sink, and ample storage. This setup is perfect for off-grid living, further supported by the 720W solar panel array, Red Arc BMS, and 3000W inverter, providing up to 600 Ah of battery power. Additional options include more solar panels, a barbecue, airbag suspension, and a water tank protector for rougher journeys. Cub Campers also offers customization, from bike racks to other bespoke features, ensuring that your C16 meets all your adventure needs. However, owning one of these Australian-crafted masterpieces means you'll need to be in Australia. If you can afford a C16, perhaps relocating down under isn't out of the question. For those who can't, the C16 remains a paragon of what a well-designed camper can be.